Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have the right access. Log in with an admin or owner account so deletion succeeds. Next, locate the block precisely and copy its ID or coordinates. Mistakes here cause errors. Once done, stop or detach any dependent processes and create a quick backup of related data to avoid loss. These steps save time and prevent rollbacks. Make sure you're in the correct environment, production versus staging, before taking the next action. Now execute the deletion using the appropriate command or user interface tool. Paste the exact block ID you copied earlier so the system targets the right object. When the confirmation prompt appears, pause and read the consequences it displays. This prevents accidental mass deletions. After you confirm, watch the command output carefully for success messages or error codes. If progress stalls, capture the terminal output or log lines for trouble. Finish by verifying the removal. Refresh the list or search for the block ID and ensure indexes or caches are updated so results reflect the change. If the block still appears, rescan or rebuild indexes rather than assume failure. Only restore from your backup if data was lost, following your restore checklist. If deletion failed due to permission or locking issues, check logs for error codes and retry the command with elevated privileges or after releasing the lock. That single tip solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.